for me? Who's waiting for me? Hi, Zachy. Hi, baby. He's sitting by the herb garden. Got my composter, my bird bath, my altar, my bench. And here is the start of the spring 2023 garden. Just wanted to show what a little realistic garden looks like when you first start. It's a bunch of pots that have dirt in them that need to be refreshed. And here's some herbs I planted. And I got some tomatoes in, some strawberries from last year and oregano. Here's some new sage I grew. It didn't do too good last year. I had to redo. Here's some Russian sage. And I mulched literally just 2 weeks ago, and all of these like wild strawberries are popping up. But oh well. Here's some yarrow and a butterfly bush. So I wanted to show like the reality of what starting my garden looks like. And it starts out by me dumping out all of the dirt from last year into a big bin, adding some humus and manure, and mixing it all in to give fresh nutrients. And so here is like an example of a nice empty bucket, nice fresh soil, all ready to be planted. And this is from my hummingbird garden that I do every year. It's really a treasure and a treat to get the hummingbirds. So a little sneak peek. So I'm nowhere near finished, but here is the start of my garden. This is my hummingbird garden. I do it right outside my bedroom window. And it's all flowers that attract the hummingbirds. The colors and the shape. And I get a beautiful show. So I wanted to show you a before and after. Empty pots to beautiful hummingbird garden. This is my altar. Got a couple of hanging planters up here. But just a place where I can pray and reflect. And then me and my dad put this here last year to protect the tree. The limb was breaking, so we put that piece of wood up. And I just got this wind chime this year. Super pretty. And I found this bell in the street. Super pretty. And I just got this bird bath. It's nice. A little pollen in it. Let's see how the herb garden's doing right now. It's so early in the season still. Finally just getting warm enough to start planting, but it's coming along. It's amazing how in a few weeks there will be so much more growth and life, and what looks like a sparse garden will be like almost impossible to walk through. Well, I hope you liked this short little video of my early spring garden. Got pollen in your nose.